view of it from up top. We're gonna go ahead and hike all the way down. So let's go. Ready?
These are steep though.
Yeah, I'll put my wallet up.
Very steep.
So we're gonna go ahead and start the hike, guys, all the way down. I believe the steps run out somewhere down the middle. So we're just gonna go ahead and go with it, run with it, see how far we can get. So steps should be running out halfway, guys, so just keep that in mind. It is very, very steep, guys. Did you want me to go first? You're good.
I'm okay.
Okay, because you like this stuff.
Yeah, I'm okay. I just wasn't looking and I almost fell.
I mean, you can seriously injure yourself here.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's gonna start recording. You're gonna put it on your wrist, or you're just gonna carry it?
I'm gonna carry it.
Okay. It's loading. It's going now.
Alright guys, we're here at Kelingking Beach. It's absolutely gorgeous. Robbie's here. We're climbing down. Let me tell you. These are steep stairs.
Definitely come early, guys, because yeah, definitely go early.
We are here at 8 a.m. I believe. So we're here.
These steps are really, really steep. I'm just taking my time, just being cautious about it, because last thing I want to do is screw up something. So, yes.
I'll show you. I want it like this.
Okay.
Like this one. You see?
Okay, got it. Yeah.
And then like this.
Portrait mode.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I think you have to stand.
Okay. Here you go. I got both landscape and portraits, so yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Can be on the phone. Alright guys, so we're gonna continue on down. Yeah. I'm gonna record it all the way down and up. We're doing good?
Yeah, pretty good.
These do get pretty steep for sure. Diamond Beach is, in my opinion, scarier so far. I mean, we're still early on, but it's definitely gorgeous, guys. Like, absolutely gorgeous. My legs are already worn out. We've been hiking for a couple days now in a row. Sun is starting to poke through now, so.
So we're finally getting through the rock right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like the steps are up.
Steps run out. Now it's all rocks.
Whoa, extremely rough.
Got it?
I had to turn the camera off.
Okay. Yeah. You can put it on your wrist if you really want to. This thing is eroding just because it gets a lot of traffic, but I mean, what can you say? At least it's somewhat manageable for the most part. Got it? It's definitely fun for sure. Definitely enjoyable. It's a good comfy pace. We're not really struggling right now yet, but at some point I'm sure we will. So. But it is starting to erode, as you can tell. The road is eroding. Got it? So, right now we're just gonna sit right here, look, wait. I think it is gonna get steeper as you take that right down the bottom. Yeah, so you're gonna still keep going down. The good thing is this path is wider than some of the other trails. If you've done Angel's Landing in Utah, I think Angel's Landing is a little bit scarier than this one for whatever reason, at least so far. But yeah, it's definitely manageable for sure. Yeah, now it is. Got it? Oh, cool. This is pretty steep. Again, you can't really put your weight on all these railings because they're not really properly secured the way you have like in America. So just keep that in mind as well. Got it? Okay, now it starts to get a little slippery, so just be careful. It's getting a little slippery now. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and start descending down. So far so good. The rocks are a little slippery, but anything crazy. Alright. Got it?
I'm good.
Got it?
I got it.
Still good?
That was crazy.
Yeah.
That again.
Yeah. I mean, each step is about 3 to 4 feet, guys. Like, it's actually really steep. If you are not liking into, if you have no interest into hiking and climbing, this is probably not your hike. It does get a little worse than when we started off, for sure. There's people coming back up.
Oh, is it coming up?
Yeah.
So
I'm gonna
leave
sit
down.
right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's harder, so. Yeah.
Well, let's go on that side. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get out of the way.
Sorry.
We're gonna get out of your way. Yeah.
Okay, so now it's getting even crazier.
Want me to go first again?
Yeah. You go first.
Alright guys, so it does get difficult, but some of these posts are a little better anchored, but not all of them. This is definitely steep. I mean, it's definitely vertical, just straight down. I'm looking at the people below me, so it's basically just straight vertical. Like, there's people in front of me that are like 5 feet away, that they're like literally right under me. So it's pretty crazy. Everyone has different levels, so got it.
Yeah.
I know.
Maybe I should have structured this. I feel like I'm crazy.
I mean, all you have really holding you is these little sticks. That's not a whole lot of support, honestly, but, and you're literally like right on the edge of the cliff, and you're still quite a far ways from the beach, to be honest. It's a lot further than I thought it was going to be, for sure. Yeah, it's basically one person at a time through here. It's pretty small and tight. It's gonna be fun going back up.
Oh, I know.
This guy's coming through. Oh yeah, we can jump over there. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
We can get out of this way. Yeah, guys, so it kind of narrows down. What was that? Was that yours? No? Oh. Oh. Now somebody is out of water, guys. Their water bottle just fell. So. So we are 15 minutes, 23 seconds into this little hike down, descending. 15 minutes?
Okay.
So not too bad. Yeah, it's going a little faster than I thought. If you get out here super early, guys, you'll probably avoid the crowds and you'll probably make it down pretty quickly. But honestly, having the crowds below you just makes you take your time, so, you know, take your pick. What do you want to do, basically? You're gonna.
There you go.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go around her, guys. She's let us go in front of her. It does get a little bit wider here, but definitely can get it done, guys.
GoPro.
Yeah, GoPro. This is a good GoPro hike right here.
Yeah.
This is one heck of a. Oh shit! I scratched up my freaking foot. Damn it. Alright, it's alright. No big deal. Didn't bleed, so we're alright. We're alright. Alright, so now it's all just rock and no more stakes to really support you. So yeah, there's that. Want me to wait for you or no? Hannah? Okay. Want me to wait here? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and wait for Hannah to come through.
Oh, is that not strong?
Yeah, no.
It's not strong.
Not strong at all.
Oh my gosh.
Got it? Alright. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, so it gets a little bit more challenging here. You can definitely get yourself in a pickle here, because it's freaking straight down. They're not that sturdy.
Yeah.
My legs are already shaking a little bit, just
I see it.
going down. Because we've been climbing for a couple days already, so we haven't had much breaks. It's actually drizzling as well now, so I'm gonna let my legs rest while we wait. Are some little holes in the side of this deal that you can kind of use and guide yourself as well, but it looks like they just carved them out of the rock, which is cool. Gives you a place to set your foot while you hike down as well. How's it going? Oh, it does get a little sandy, so it makes it a little slippery, but overall not too bad. Hannah's doing pretty well right now behind me. I just started breaking a sweat right now. I think it is more humid. There's no wind down here right now where we're at. But yeah, probably at some point. Yeah, not right now, but yeah. Alright. There is no more support right there. getting definitely a lot closer. We're almost there, guys. Not too far down. Yeah, we're very close, guys. The hardest part is probably already done. Now it's more just sand and just kind of descending a little bit. So now if I just sit down on my butt and get down here, this one is pretty steep. Just made it down from the top of that damn freaking mountain. And the water's coming up pretty high. Water's freaking cold as heck too. Sand is amazing. And then I will show you the bluffs that we are here. Dude, oh my goodness gracious. Big, big waves. Camera does not do that thing justice, but it is huge. Huge freaking wave.